Hello again, this is Bill Vincent on my channel. I got a new unboxing. I bought a big lens. It's really nice, hope you can see it there. Okay, it's a Canon EF 70 to 200 millimeter 2.8 L, and it's the IS3 USM. So it's the latest EF lens that came out. I figured to get this one instead of the RF version because I do have one RF camera, but I have about 6 of the Canon EF cameras. So this, and with the adapter, I can use it on the R also. Okay, so let me get it out. It comes with a really nice box. I got it from Best Buy. It took about a week to get it, but it was well worth the wait. Really nice case. And it's got straps inside. The zipper. This baby open. This is the first time actually taking it all the way out and looking at it. So there's the straps. Okay, and by the way, of course, it comes with the other paperwork that they always come with. Alrighty. So let's take it out. It has plenty of protections. There's the lens. Well, it has a lens cap. And it also has the cover for keeping rain and everything off. It's really nice. So first time actually touching it. Well, as soon as I get it out of the rest of the protectors. Oh. It's a beautiful lens. Can't wait to use it. It's real nice. It's heavy too. Weighs a couple pounds at least. You put the got to get the red dots lined up. Clicks just nice. Take the lens cap off, and it's got some nice glass. Oh, that is nice. Well, I'm going to get started using it, so just wanted to share this with everybody. If there's any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. Yeah, all right. And to store it, of course, it goes right back on top like this. There we go. Don't want to break it. Well, I'll figure that out in a little bit. It also comes with a control ring where I can move it depending on how I want it set up for setting it on one of my tripods. And I might even set it up to one of my telescopes, or one of my cameras to set up and use this lens as a telescope. So I'll have pictures coming in the future. Thanks a lot. Take care.